Hi friends, welcome to a spring cleaning video of purging some toys. I am so excited about this because I have a lot of toys I need to go through that are Riley's, and there is much more than this in other locations in my house, and I might even do videos on that as well, but I figured I would do this because I needed to get it done. It was just driving me crazy with all these toys. So right now what I'm doing is I'm sorting through this basket for toys to keep and toys to put in a pile to get rid of. And you'll be seeing me kind of question some things like, okay, do I want to keep that? And I put it back, and then I end up taking it out and putting it back in the pile. So be proud of me for putting it in the pile to get rid of. So the pile on the floor is the stuff that I am getting rid of, just so you know as you watch it grow. Those are not the things I'm keeping. So far, just this stuff from this little basket. There's gonna be much more to get rid of. All of these are books I just went through to in our book basket that I'm gonna be getting rid of. There's a lot of books here that I'm gonna get rid of for sure. All these are just going. Now I'm going to go through this big tote. This thing is definitely overfilled with things, and I'm going to be getting rid of a ton more stuff from this tote than I did the smaller one. So yeah, you'll see just how much I get rid of just from this tote alone. I think I'm going to keep this Paw Patrol basket that was last year's Easter basket for Riley. I'm going to keep it to store Riley's like Hot Wheel cars and other cars that he likes a lot to keep in there, just so they're in an actual designated area. I'll be honest with you guys, sometimes it's hard to get rid of these toys just because the fact that Riley will play with every single toy that he has. And if he was right here next to me, then he would not be letting me go through these because I think he has a feeling that I'm getting rid of some things. I have to keep the ones that he plays with the most and his favorites and things that he'd probably like to play with, but he just hadn't have a chance to look at it yet because they were so backed up behind the other toys, and just get rid of the stuff that just doesn't make sense anymore so other kids can actually use it. All of these things I just took out of that big tote, and here is all of the stuff right here that just got out of that tote. And then see the tote is much less, or it's less full, that's for sure. And here's some things I'm going to give to Rhonda if she'd like, because she's having a little boy. And all of this stuff right here I sorted through, and the stuff I'm going to take to Once Upon a Child, and what they don't take I will either donate or give to Rhonda if she'd like them. And this bag right here is just all Goodwill. So yeah, it's pretty full, I think. And those are just for the toys that are right here. There's much more to go through. See, it looks so much better now. I really like the less clutter. So here it is right here, as you see, stuff going to Once Upon a Child, and then here's the stuff that is going to either Goodwill or Rhonda. Like always, you guys, thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!